What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about BDO American Express credit card. Yung magiging topic natin is Blue from American Express. Live Blue. Pag-uusapan natin guys yung annual fee at saka yung fees and charges at the same time yung application requirements. Kasi syempre kapag nag-apply kayo ng credit card, kailangan yung application requirements. Of course, kailangan ng proof of income at saka yung annual fee kailangan yung malaman. Kasi si BDO guys, merong 6 na American Express credit card. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong isi-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. Then, i-introduce ko muna sa inyo guys yung 6 na klase na American Express credit card ni BDO. Una guys is yung Blue from American Express. Live Blue. Din pangalawa is yung American Express Cashback Credit Card. No minimum spend, no rebate cap, just maximum cashback. Then yung pangatlo is yung American Express Explorer Credit Card. More miles for every peso spend. Then yung pang-apat is yung American Express Platinum Credit Card. Enriching travel and lifestyle benefits at your fingertips. Tapos yung pang-lima is yung American Express Gold Card. Gold has never been more valuable. Then, the Platinum Card, yung pang-anim. The Platinum Card, your passport to a world of unforgettable experiences. So, as I have just said, yung magiging topic natin ngayon is yung Blue from American Express. Live Blue. Then, next ko na lang yung iba. Ayan, nakikita nyo, American Express Blue Card. Blue from American Express. Experience great things with Blue from American Express. American Express Blue Card membership rewards. For every 45 pesos spent, you get membership rewards, points for more shopping and dining privileges. So, in every 45 pesos, may membership rewards points ka na agad for shopping and dining privileges. Then, American Express Blue Card complimentary travel insurance. Book your trip using your card to get up to 300,000 pesos travel accident insurance for you and your immediate family. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag nag-book kayo ng plane ticket ninyo, make sure to use your American Express Blue credit card. Why choose Blue from American Express? So, membership fee waiver, your first year's membership fee is on us. Plus, get automatic monthly membership fee waiver when you spend at least 15,000 pesos per month. So, ibig sabihin guys, yung first year ng credit card na ito is naka-waive yung annual fee. On the second year, saka pa lang kayo matcha-charge ng annual fee. So, yung annual fee na to guys is monthly siya charge which is 150 pesos per month. Then, 15 pesos lang na spending requirement within a month, pwede nang ma-waive yung annual fee niya. So, 15,000 lang, ibig sabihin affordable siya, may posibilidad na ma-waive talaga siya kasi 15K lang a month yung required spending limit. Then installment programs. Choose the financing option that suits your need. Bills payment, pay your bills hassle-free with charge on demand and auto charge. So pwede nyo i-link itong credit card na to for auto charge or auto debit facility in order for you not to forget your due dates. Kasi pag nagkalimutan nyo yung due dates nyo, of course may mga penalty yan. Para hindi mo makalimutan, better to auto charge your bills on your credit card. Cash advance. Convert up to 30% of your credit limit into cash. So, cash advance guys is pwede nyo gamitin. Kaso nga lang, warning lang, mataas yung interest sa cash advance. Kasi the moment you withdraw that amount, 3% yung ipapatong doon. Tapos, may cash advance fee yan na 200 pesos. Accepted worldwide. Of course, American Express cards issued by BDO are accepted worldwide where American Express is recognized. Of course, kapag hindi tinatanggap ni merchant yung American Express, so hindi siya pwedeng gamitin. Huwag niyong ipilit. Kawawa naman kasi baka nagwala kayo, nakakahiya. Application requirements. Check your qualifications. 21 to 60 years old for principal, at least 13 years old for supplementary card holders. Applicant must be a Filipino citizen or a foreigner who is a resident of the Philippines. So dapat Filipino citizens kayo or residente kayo ng Pilipinas. Minimum gross fixed monthly income requirement is 15,000 pesos. So, 15,000 yung required para ma-approve kayo dito sa BDO Blue American Express Credit Card. Then, of course, kailangan nyo yung document na proof of identification for both primary and supplementary applicant. Filipino, of course, any valid photo bearing identification document, front and back, government-issued ID. Example is yung Philippine Identification System or PhilSys ID. Yung national ID pwede. Passport, driver's license, SSS ID. Then yung supplementary applicants who are studying may submit a valid school ID instead. So kapag yung supplementary credit card holder, kung kanino nyo ibibigay, okay na yung school ID kung nag-aaral pa siya. Then, proof of income, of course, hindi mawawala yung proof of income, guys, kasi kailangan talaga siya, knowing na credit card siya, before magpapautang si bangko, kailangan yung proof of income para naman maging kampante sila na mababayaran mo yung pinagagastos mo. Employed applicants, photocopy of latest income tax return or ITR, duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, Form 2316 signed by employer's authorized representative. Mandatory. So, pag sinabing mandatory, guys, kailangan siya talaga. Plus, any of the following latest full month's pay slip, original certificate of employment indicating status, service tenure, and compensation breakdown. Or F with existing credit cards, kung may credit card na kayo, copy of at least 2 months statement of account of your credit card that is at least 1 year on books. Self-employed. So, kung hindi naman kayo empleyado, may sarili kayong negosyo, self-employed, kayo mismo nagpapatakbo ng business nyo. So, kailangan is yung photocopy of latest income tax return or ITR, duly stamped as received by the Bureau of Internal Revenue, and audited financial statements for at least 2 years. Mandatory. Kailangan yung AFS or yung audited financial statements, it's because kailangan malaman nila kung profitable ba yung business nyo. Then next is yung photocopy of registration of business name, mandatory, DTI registration or single proprietorship or SEC registration for partnership and corporation. So kung solo ka lang, kailangan yung DTI registration for single proprietorship. SEC naman, registration for partnership or corporation. Kung may corporation kayo, may joint business kumbaga, kailangan yung SEC registration. Then yung 3S, yung pangatlo is yung last 3 months bank statement. So optional na lang siya. Yung pinaka-importante is yung photocopy of income tax return, din yung audited financial statements, at saka yung photocopy of registration business name. Then yung fees and charges, guys, ng American Express Blue from credit card is 150 siya per month. So monthly yung charge ng annual fee neto, guys. Tapos yung monthly interest rate, of course, 3% as normal credit card, installment, availment fee kung gusto niyo magpa-installment. So 200 pesos for every approved cash installment transaction, 250 pesos for every approved balance transfer transaction. Cash advance fee is 200 pesos. Then yung late payment fee is 850 pesos. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Sana may na-share ko. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye-bye!